Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing great. This week I've been really sick. For 3 days I couldn't speak at all because of a sore throat, and unfortunately I fell behind on my video. However, I didn't want to skip this week, so I decided to make a short story about one of the most important upcoming celebrations in America, Thanksgiving. Today's video is about the history of Thanksgiving, and I know that it's a bit different from my usual videos. Thank you so much for understanding, and honestly, thank you for always supporting me even when I'm not feeling my best. I'll be back next week with a full and normal video as usual. Take care, stay healthy, and enjoy the story. See you in the next video. Bye!
Every fall, Americans enjoy a big Thanksgiving dinner. But when was the first Thanksgiving? Let's find out. Many Native American peoples lived in North America, including the Wampanoag along the east coast between Massachusetts and Rhode Island. The Wampanoag thrived in their homeland, skilled in farming, fishing, and hunting. In the 17th century, English settlers arrived and built homes on a hill within a large land area. The English settlers struggled with farming and faced hunger and fear during the winter. The Wampanoag kindly helped settlers learn to fish and farm successfully. The next year's harvest was plentiful, leading the English to invite the Wampanoag to share a meal. The 1621 Thanksgiving symbolized cooperation and shared blessings between the Wampanoag and English settlers. Now you know the story behind the first Thanksgiving, a celebration of friendship and gratitude.